Welcome to 10 of. In today's video, we're tackling a tough subject: how to win back someone who left. Whether it's a breakup or a falling out, we've got 10 guaranteed strategies that can help you reconnect and rebuild your relationship. Let's dive into the top 10 ways to get back someone who left us. As difficult as it may be, you must respect their decision if they choose not to come back. Trying to force or manipulate the situation will only lead to resentment. By showing that you respect their autonomy, you leave the door open for a possible reconciliation in the future. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and by giving them the freedom to make their own choices, you demonstrate maturity and selflessness. Sometimes, respecting their decision can even make them reconsider, because it shows that you value them as a person, not just as a partner. While shared memories are important, it's equally essential to create new ones. Suggest doing something new and exciting together, like trying a different restaurant, going on a short trip, or exploring a mutual hobby. New experiences can reignite the spark in your relationship and give you fresh moments to bond over. It's a way of showing that you're not stuck in the past and are willing to create a better future together. By creating positive new experiences, you shift the focus away from past problems and give the relationship a fresh start. Getting back together doesn't happen overnight. It's crucial to be patient and let the relationship develop at its own pace. If you try to rush things or force them to make a decision, you may push them further away. Instead, focus on rebuilding the relationship slowly and naturally. Patience shows that you respect their feelings and are willing to work on things over time. It's also a sign of emotional maturity, which can make them more comfortable with the idea of reconnecting. Give them the time they need, and don't pressure them into making decisions before they're ready. Even though you're no longer together, it's important to show that you still care about their well-being. Offer genuine support in times of need, whether it's listening when they're going through something tough, or simply checking in to see how they're doing. Being a supportive presence shows that you're reliable and compassionate, which can make them feel safe around you again. Just be careful not to overstep their boundaries. There's a fine line between being supportive and being overbearing. By offering help without expecting anything in return, you can rebuild emotional bonds and trust. One of the most powerful ways to reignite feelings is by reminding them of the good times you shared. Bring up fun, positive memories or experiences you both enjoyed, whether it's a favorite vacation, a fun date, or an inside joke. Nostalgia can trigger fond emotions and help them remember why they were attracted to you in the first place. However, be subtle about it. Didn't make it seem like you're trying to manipulate them. Instead, naturally weave these memories into conversations to remind them of the special connection you once had. It's one thing to say you've changed, but it's more important to show it through your actions. If certain behaviors led to the breakup, like poor communication, jealousy, or lack of effort, demonstrate that you've addressed these issues. For example, if you had a problem with being too controlling, give them space to make their own choices. If you struggled with commitment, show that you're now more reliable and consistent. When they see you actively making improvements, it increases the likelihood that they'll consider giving the relationship another try. Change takes time, so be patient and consistent in your efforts. Although the Earth has already survived countless asteroid impacts, a large enough asteroid could still bring about the planet's demise. Some scientists believe that it's only a matter of time before Earth experiences another catastrophic impact, similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. If a massive asteroid or comet were to collide with Earth, it could cause global extinction by triggering firestorms, blocking out the sun with dust and debris, and drastically altering the climate. While we can predict some potential impactors, many remain hidden, making. After giving them space and working on yourself, you'll want to re-establish communication, but do it slowly and carefully. Don't dive back in with heavy emotions or relationship talk. Instead, start with casual, light conversations that show you're not pressuring them. This could be as simple as sending a friendly text or commenting on a mutual interest. The goal is to reignite the connection without overwhelming them. Keeping things light allows you to rebuild trust and rapport, setting the foundation for future discussions about your relationship. While it's easy to focus entirely on getting the other person back, don't forget about self-improvement. Breakups can be an opportunity for personal growth, so take time to work on yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. Focus on fitness, pick up a new hobby, or dive into self-reflection. This personal development not only boosts your confidence, but also makes you more attractive. When they see you thriving and improving, they may reconsider their decision to leave. The key is to become the best version of yourself, not just for them, but for your own happiness and growth. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to get someone back is smothering them with attention. It's crucial to give them space after the breakup. This time apart helps both you and them reflect on the relationship, and it also allows emotions to cool down. When you step back, you give them the opportunity to miss you. In relationships, absence really can make the heart grow fonder. If you're constantly reaching out, they won't have a chance to experience life without you, which could reduce their desire to come back. Respecting their need for space is the first step to creating a healthier, renewed relationship. Thanks for watching. Remember, getting someone back isn't about forcing things, it's about showing growth, respect, and patience. If these tips helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 10 for more insightful relationship advice and top 10 lists. See you in the next video.